I've been needing a more professional way to record my workbench for a while now. With my old desk, I was using a microphone boom arm with my Logitech C920 webcam mounted to it. I decided to do something a little bit unconventional and use the microphone arm for my microphone. I had the idea to incorporate both of them into one stand, which will be especially helpful for when I'm recording product reviews or DIY build videos like the one you're watching right now. So today's project is going to be an overhead camera mount. Let's get into it. In Fusion 360, I designed a corner bracket, 2 different types of feet, and a mount for my webcam. I threw the parts on the printer, and once they were done, I started marking the 3/4 inch aluminum square tubing so I could cut it. Each tube was 36 inches long, so I cut one in half and saved the other one for the top rail. It should fit nicely over the desk mat I ordered off Amazon. While cutting the pipe, I decided to use the dullest, cheapest, and crappiest hacksaw that I own. The reason I did this was definitely just to show you that you don't need expensive tools in order to make something you thought of come to life. It absolutely wasn't because I got locked out of the shop. Either way, since I used a hacksaw, my cuts were not perfectly straight, and so I had to file everything flush. When I finished that, all that was left was to prep for paint. Someone with more than 2 brain cells would decide to sand down the parts before you paint them, but that person is not me. All I did was string up my parts with some paracord and scotch tape, and then hung it up to paint it. After that dried, all that was left was assembly. I just had to snap the pieces together and voila!